Buying copper sounds cheap until you price shipping, taxes, and resale spreads. Physical copper has one big beginner trap: it's low value per pound, so the extras can matter more than the metal. The checkout total is the only number that counts, because copper spreads can still dent returns even if the spot price moves your way. Then taxes can dominate the outcome in some states, and the fees look nothing like an IRA's simple annual schedule. Cheap copper often means bulky, costly, and harder to resell. If you're buying copper on APMEX, your real decision is format, because format controls premium, storage hassle, and resale. Rounds and bars can both work, but you need to verify the total ounces listed and then judge the premium over spot, not the headline price. Larger formats can reduce premium per ounce, but they're heavier to ship and store, so choose carefully. Pay attention to packaging and protection, and skip novelty items if you want easier resale later. To compare copper products cleanly, force everything into the same unit, Haus per pound. Start with melt value, add the premium over melt, and then assume you'll face a spread when you exit, because buyers won't pay retail. Next, estimate shipping per unit since weight changes everything, and watch for payment method surcharges that quietly raise your all-in cost. Finally, verify sales tax before checkout. One tax line can erase the whole deal. The buying process on APMEX is straightforward, but the details determine what you actually pay and how protected you are. Creating an account speeds checkout and helps you track orders, and you should understand price lock timing so you know when your total is set. Pick product type with spread in mind, because a tight spread can matter more than a slightly lower entry price. Choose payment based on cost versus speed. Review the bid-ask exit reality, then track fulfillment so expectations match delivery timelines. Once your copper arrives, treat it like an inventory check, not a fun unboxing. Inspect the packaging and film it so you have a record if anything looks wrong, then count pieces and match the invoice immediately. Weigh a few random units as a spot check and save proof, receipt plus photos, so you can document condition later. Copper can corrode, so control humidity, and because it's heavy, store it low and locked where it's hard to move quickly. With copper, sales tax and shipping can cost more than the premium over spot. If you want help comparing real all-in costs across providers and products, the Smart Investor shows a personalized match and the dollar differences over time. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.